Hi there, my name is Vincenzo Gugliuzza, and my article is titled Sense and Superstition by Jane Risen and A. David Nussbaum. The date of publication is October 4th, 2013. The purpose of the article is to entertain and inform readers about the research conducted on why people have superstitious rituals, whether or not they are superstitious. From the article, I learned that people tend to do little rituals, whether or not they are superstitious. The researchers knew that people tend to push negative things away, so they suggested that people developed an affiliation between negative things like jinxing and warding off harm. I also learned that researchers were on the right track and found that people do rituals to get their mind off the subject and do other things like throwing a baseball after being jinxed have the same positive effect of feeling relieved. If I were to further research the topic, I would search the internet with the key phrase superstition and psychology. I would expect to find some research on this subject and psychologists researching the topic and getting first-hand knowledge. I think that the article has to do with the topics of stress and coping, phobias, and abnormal psychology. When people are jinxed, they feel a little stressed and use rituals to cope and feel relieved. Also, I would expect most of the people to believe a little afraid of bad luck, so that might translate to a mild phobia.